Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and in this video it's going to be an AnTuTu benchmark comparison between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro against the iPhone XS Max. So it's going to be the Kirin 980 going up against the A12 Bionic, 6GB of RAM on the Mate 20 Pro and 4GB RAM on the iPhone XS Max, and the rest of the specs you can see on the side. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone XS Max finished first, and here are the breakdown of the categories. So the iPhone XS Max scored higher on the CPU and also scored higher on the GPU. Now on the UX side, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher, and finally on the memory, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher again. So that wraps it up for this video. What did you think of this comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including the iPhone XR. There will be speed tests and camera comparisons. I am also planning to get the Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T, and you can see videos on that. So make sure you have your bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.